Ever wondered if using a PaysafeCard to pay online is truly free? You've probably seen the promise of paying with cash online, and a lot of the marketing focuses on security and ease of use. But when you get down to it, are there any hidden costs? Today, we're breaking down the PaysafeCard fees so you know exactly what you'll pay and when. The good news is that for most online purchases, using a PaysafeCard is completely free. When you buy a PaysafeCard PIN, you get exactly the amount you paid for. If you buy a $50 PIN, you have $50 to spend. The fees you need to watch out for are based on how you use and manage your PaysafeCard. The first big one is the monthly service fee. If you don't use the full value of your PIN within a certain period, a fee will be deducted from the remaining balance. This fee and the time frame vary by region. For example, in many places, a monthly fee of around €3 is charged from the second month if you haven't used the full amount. Another fee to be aware of is the currency conversion fee. If you're using a PaysafeCard to pay for something in a different currency than the one you bought the card in, PaysafeCard will charge a fee for the conversion. This is pretty standard for any international transaction, but it's important to remember that the exchange rate you see might not be the final rate you get. If you have a MyPaysafe account, there are different fees to consider. For example, if you're loading your account with a PaysafeCard PIN, there might be a percentage fee. Also, if you don't use your account for a while, an inactivity fee could be charged after a certain number of months. And finally, if for some reason you need a refund, there is a refund fee that will be deducted from the amount you're getting back. So while PaysafeCard is a fantastic tool for secure online payments, it's not without its costs. By understanding these potential fees, you can use your PaysafeCard more efficiently and avoid any surprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.